Yeah.
What you doing, Hiccup? Look at her.
She looks
one of
like
her
the
toys.
small, largest kitty in the
Small,
world.
largest kitty in the world.
I mean, the smallest kitty in the world. In the camera.
I'm trying to find it, but